Hello guys, my name is Akhil and welcome to B.Tech Career Guide. So in this video I brought you another new opportunity from EmbedUR. They are going to conduct a drive for freshers for 2023 batch. Here is the Microsoft form they have released and here is the few details of the company. And coming to what we are hiring for, so device development, they require C language expertise and automation testing using Python and cloud and DevOps. So in case if you get selected for this EmbedUR systems, you will be working in any one of these roles, and salary remuneration will be around 8 lakhs per annum, and there will be a service agreement for the candidates who have been selected for this role. They will be discussed in your final stage of selection. Okay, and the salary package is 8 lakhs per annum. And coming to the form details, so enter your first name, your email address, your mobile number, your college name and your current location. Please specify in the format city or state, like Tamil Nadu, Chennai, like that. So in the Andhra Pradesh, Vizag, Andhra Pradesh, Ongole, Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, so Telangana, Hyderabad, sorry. So like that, in that manner you need to specify the current location. And coming to your B.Tech or BE, so 2023, so they are specifically hiring for 2023 batch. So in case if you are 2022 or 2021, please select other and apply for it. So we are not sure whether you will be getting a mail from them, but it's worth applying. Coming to the college department, select your department: ECE, EEE, EIE, CSC and IT, and the marks secured in your B.Tech, marks secured in your 12th standard, education board in 12th standard, CBSE, state board, TOTE and other. So maximum everyone will select state or CBSE, and enter your marks secured in 10th class and board of your education in 10th class. And do you have any history of arrears in your degree? So in case if you have backlogs in your degree, please select yes or else no. So please do select no only. Okay, and at last click on next, and I can't proceed further in this form, but please do fill out the remaining form, and I will be pasting the link in the description box. Guys, do feel free to apply as soon as possible, and please do remember it is for 2023 batch and the salary package is 8 lakhs per annum. So don't miss this opportunity, and at last always don't forget to subscribe our channel B.Tech Career Guide. That's it in this video guys. All the best. Bye bye.